IDFC First Bank side Mushtaq Ali Trophy 24-25 season. It's Tripura versus Uttarakhand.
Heads.
Heads is the call.
Batting first.
IPL player Yuvraj Chaudhary, IPL player Sudha Rawat, Sharma, Ravi Kumar, Aditya Tare, Swapnil, Chauhan, Rajan, Tiwari.
त्रिपुरा की बात करें, मनदीप सिंह बहुत एक्सपीरियंस कप्तान है. सूत्रधार पॉल, विक्रम कुमार, शरद, मूरा सिंह, आरदे, एसदे, सुल्तान, किरणजीत और सरकार. युवराज चौधरी इनकी इंटरव्यू हम सुन रहे थे. बहुत ही बढ़िया बल्लेबाज हैं. 11वीं इनिंग 456 रन.
This is Ashok Malhotra's favorite word. One game before the auction, he got 100 against a team like Karnataka. Bench strokes of Tripura, they also call him Mura Singh. On the money as always.
चार रन आएंगे गैप के अंदर. ऑन द राइज ये शॉट खेला. हल्का सा बैट को मोड़ा और दिशा दिखाई गेंद को.
Not quite. Beautiful. Great hands through the ball. Little bit fuller. And just latching onto that one.
कदमों का इस्तेमाल किया. बिल्कुल सीधे बल्ले से खेल दिया.
Has he cleared it? Has he cleared it? No, just the one bounce. Hasn't timed that at all, I can assure you. Once he times it, that's nowhere close to those ropes.
Oh, there he goes. It didn't turn much. He missed the line completely. So that he was getting very, very impatient. That good change of pace by Pervez Sultan. Wicket number 1 goes down. Sudha out for 9, 28 for 1, Uttarakhand.
रवि कुमार समर्थ अब आए हैं.
That's up in the air. Wherever it goes, did not middle the ball. He didn't want to. He wanted to hit over mid wicket. Thankfully, it got an inside edge. But raced past square leg for 4. Oh, look at that! Timed it to perfection. Ravi Kumar Samarth. Oh, there it goes. Wicket number 2. It was with the arm. Enough it. Could not time it. Yuvraj Chaudhary out for 22. 39 for 2. Sanskar Rawat.
Is that in the gap? Oh, just dived over the ball. Great effort. But sometimes even your best is not good enough. Big hit. Has he got enough? He certainly has. Long off has given that up. Excellent piece of timing, and playing with the turn is the seasoned pro.
ये वो ओवर है जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे थे.
वो फर्क है. हवा में बॉल, फील्डर वहां मौजूद. एक आसान सा कैच. मूरा सिंह ने कोई गलती नहीं की. रावत ने शॉट खेलने की कोशिश थी कि लॉन्ग ऑन को पार लगाया जाए, लेकिन ऐसा हुआ नहीं. तालमेल बॉल और बैट के बीच में इतना अच्छा नहीं.
Yeah, not the connection he was looking for, not even close to clearing. Mora Singh, safe as houses, brilliant fielder. That's easy peasy for him. Uttarakhand lose their third for 77. Rawat gone for 16.
प्रशांत चौहान. ओह, ये गेंद थोड़ा रुका है विकेट से. समझ नहीं आया चौहान को कि क्या किया जाए.
Just stopping on him. Let's have a look over here. No, I think nothing wrong with the ball over there. Yeah, it's just came on slowly to him, but that's been the nature of the wicket. No puff of dust. Just a very loose push from Chauhan. Not that Sultan minds. He's gone with a troubling the score as is Chauhan. It's 77 for 4. Is there a hat-trick coming up? We've had a lot of records. Will we see the first hat-trick? Just like this. Look at how delectable that is. With all the field, everybody there, having the presence of mind to knowing exactly where the gap is. And this is not all about bludgeoning. It's about the finesse that you can come up with. No Tripura player has ever taken a fifer inside Mushtaq Ali. I think safe is about 150 plus, but I think anything between 135 and 145 is a very good total on this pitch.
रन जाएंगे, फील्डर वहां मौजूद, सीधा पॉइंट के हाथ में। कोशिश वहां की थी आदित्य तरे ने शॉट खेलने की, हाथ खोलने का मौका मिला, लेकिन सीधा हाथ में खेल बैठे।
Tare is gone for 20, Uttarakhand 110 for 5.
110 for 5. New guy is Vijay Sharma. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Straight. Oh, good catch. Wonderful catch. He smashed it, Ravi. But this time, the fielder made no mistake. It was a half tracker. It was a half tracker. Pulled it. Went. Vikram Kumar Das made no mistake. A wonderful catch. Sutra missed a sitter, but Vikram Das picked up a blinder. Wicket number 6 goes down. Ravi Kumar Samath out for a 42. 116 for 6. Uttarakhand. New batter is Swapnil Singh, 33-year-old who used to play for Baroda. 68 innings. 128 is his strike rate. 250 is his name. Oh, that's nicely played. Very nicely improvised by Vijay Sharma. He tried to jock him. He took him on the full and just paddle swept it over a short fine for a boundary.
और ये गेंद रुकनी चाहिए थी। लीजिए, मिली विकेट। आखिरकार सफलता मिल ही गई यहां मूरा सिंह को।
Oh no, I think it's a fair delivery. Yeah, he's convinced it is a fair delivery. Vijay Sharma out for 11. Uttarakhand 128 for 7. This time the slower one didn't work. He was waiting for it. He knew he was going to bowl a slower one. Waited and swatted over a mid wicket for 4.
या आप गेंदबाजों से बातचीत करते रहें, फील्ड सेट करते रहें। फिर वही लाइन जो आप बिल्कुल शरीर के पास चल रहे हैं स्वप्निल के।
And they complete their 150 with the single. After 20 overs, Uttarakhand 150 for 7.
रवि कुमार 42 रन बनाए तो, लेकिन वो मजा नहीं आया आज उनकी बल्लेबाजी में। ऐसा लगा था थोड़ा सा टाइम करने में थोड़ी सी मुश्किल वो महसूस कर रहे थे। आदित्य तरे की एक छोटी सी पारी थी, लेकिन किफायती थी। स्वप्निल 18 रन बना के नाबाद रहे 9 गेंदों में। और ऊपर अगर आप देखें, युवराज ने भी आज जो 22 रन बनाए, वहां भी वो बहुत साफ सुथरी पारी नजर नहीं आई। बहरहाल 150 रन इस वक्त बोर्ड पे लगा दिए हैं उत्तराखंड ने। 151 रन 20 ओवर में 7.55 रन प्रति ओवर की औसत से बनाने हैं अगर ये मुकाबला त्रिपुरा ने जीतना है। सम्राट सूत्रधार।
At the other end, Sridham Paul. Akash Madhwal skiddy, and that was onto him in a flash. Yep, he's gone short, hard length, fuller, and maybe he was half expecting Shutrada the short ball, because with 2 balls back of a length, almost seemed like he was looking out for that one, slipping it one straight in.
बल्लेबाज भी नहीं माना, वो भी वही शॉट खेलता रहा। गेंदबाज चतुराई दिखा रहा था, अपनी लेंथ बदल रहा था, लेकिन आप अपनी सोच नहीं बदल रहे थे। पहला झटका त्रिपुरा को पहले ही ओवर में लग गया है। मधवाल को विकेट मिली है, सम्राट सूत्रधर अपना खाता नहीं खोल पाए।
Vikram Kumar Das. Ball will win this. Usually the balls have won most of the races over here. That's the sort of outfield this has been. Just the ball that you wouldn't want to bowl to a new batter. Room outside off stump and short. That'll also go all the way. Fielder has given it up. Straying onto the leg side. Would have been a good ball for the right-hander. Easy pickings for the left-hander. Exquisite. Something about these left-handers, something about that square cut pass backward point. That race to the boundary. Such a pretty shot to see. Success today has put revolutions on the ball. Oh, this could be trouble. This could be trouble. Throw all over. Everybody was busy in the appeal. The mid-on stroke, mid-off fielder, depending who was batting, was also caught napping slightly.
कमाल का शॉट खेल दिया है, 6 रन मिलेंगे अगर आप यहां पर गेंदबाजी करेंगे और अगर तालमेल अच्छा हो गया तो नतीजा ये होगा.
Up and over. That's a big hit. Bikram Kumar is in a different mood.
अक्रॉस द लाइन खेल दिया है. एक और 6 हल्के हाथों से और एक बार फिर खेल दिया है. एक और 6 होगा. ओ मिसफील्ड. आकाश वहां पर मौजूद थे. ये रुकना चाहिए. ये बाउंड्रीज रुकनी बहुत जरूरी है. बॉल तो दो. आकाश मधवाल एक बार फिर फील्डिंग में कहीं गड़बड़ होती हुई उनसे.
Beautiful timing. Excellent placement. Bikram Kumar is indeed a treat to watch at the moment.
That's a long hop. That's a half tracker. You can't expect to check the flow, Franz, if you keep bowling. And with that, Bikram Kumar scored a well-made 50 of just 26 deliveries. Oh, look at that. Look at that. You can't keep bowling the freebies. This is like giving freebies to them.
एक बार फिर हाफ ट्रैकर. ये जाएगा बाहर.
That's nicely played. Another boundary. And he completes his 50. Wonderful 50 to Sridham Paul. Nicely. A quicker delivery. Tried to flick it. But got an inside edge. But it raced past fine leg for 4.
ये बेहतर की बात कर रहा था. ये 6 रन आ गए. अगली गेंद हाफ वॉली और उसको उठाकर लॉन्ग ऑन के ऊपर से विक्रम कुमार ने 6 के लिए भेज दिया. एक और बाउंड्री आती हुई. अब आप डालेंगे तो कहां गेंदबाजी करेंगे.
Just the punch, the thump with the bottom hand. Yeah, again going for the Yorker, again missing it on the shorter side, which is the half volley. Is there a chance? Is there a chance? Yeah. Just hold out, trying to hit that more backward, but getting too much of bat on it. But what a knock it's been from him. He's mighty disappointed not to be there at the end. What a brilliant knock from him.
अब मनदीप सिंह के ज्यादा कंधों पर जिम्मेदारी नहीं, उनके विक्रम कुमार दास और श्रीधम पाल ने कमाल की साझेदारी की.
Biggie, that's gone for 6. Superb hit. Purposely hitting it up in the air. Knew there was no fielder. Not that it would have mattered. That's in the stands.
और इसी के साथ ये मैच त्रिपुरा ने 8 विकेट से जीत लिया है. बड़ा आसानी से मैच जीता उन्होंने. बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी विक्रम कुमार दास के बल्ले से और श्रीधम पॉल के बल्ले से 141 रनों की साझेदारी ने, जिसने गेम सेट एंड मैच त्रिपुरा के पक्ष में